Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Gio's Latin Table. Today I have something special for you. It's called Latin fried rice. And that's right, when you are making your yellow rice and you have leftover, you can use that again the next day and you could go ahead and make a great, fabulous dish. Or if you just want to make the dish straight up, and then make your yellow rice, and I'm going to show you how we do that. So we're taking about a quarter of a cup of oil. I have canola oil here. I'm gonna drop that there. I'm heating up my wok. If you don't have a wok, don't worry. You can do this on a 18-inch or 16-inch frying pan, something that has a little bit of depth to it, and that would be great. I have here some onions diced up, some cilantro, have some red peppers, and you can use either fresh red peppers or you can use a roasted red peppers that come in a little glass jar at the supermarket. I have some fresh garlic. I'm going to be using approximately about 4 of these cloves. I have some plantains that I fried earlier before. We're going to incorporate that in there. I have some chicharrón de puerco. I also had a little bit left over yesterday, so I'm going to put that in as well. I also have longaniza. This is a Dominican sausage. I buy this at the grocery. Basically, you could put anything you like. You could put some ham, some chicken, some shrimp. Ooh, shrimp. That's good. You could put some chorizo if you like. Anything you want. You could crack an egg and put some scrambled egg in there like Chinese fried rice, but we're gonna make this happen. We're gonna make it happy. We're gonna make it full of flavor, and we're gonna put some of this in here. I'm gonna start cooking this off. All right, guys, so this is getting nice color. I'm sure the flavor of this longaniza is going on there. We're gonna put in the onions and the garlic. Give that a little spin there. We're gonna put in the maduros that we did earlier. We'll drop that in there also. We're also gonna put that chicharrón, some pork. You can put some pork chop in there as well. If you have leftover pork chop, you wanna cook a pork chop and just throw it in, that would be great. I'm gonna keep that at a medium heat. And we're gonna put in as well the roasted red peppers. And I'm gonna put in a little bit of cilantro now, and I'm gonna add a little bit later once everything is happening. But we're gonna leave this for a little while, get those flavors getting married, getting to know each other a bit. And we're gonna make this a very flavorful. I'm gonna do something that I didn't do before when I make this dish. I'm going to add a tablespoon of sesame oil. Oh yeah. I'm gonna add that in there. Stir that around. I can smell that nice fragrance. I'm sure this is gonna work. I'm gonna add 4 cups of yellow rice. This is already cooked. I had this morning, and that will be another video, how to make yellow rice, but I'm sure everyone probably knows. And we're gonna get this, and you can see the beauty of this so far. I'm gonna add some more cilantro. There we go. I love cilantro. That green's gonna make it beautiful. And a lot of flavor. So this is gonna be very Latin. Well, everyone, here it is. Latin fried rice. All those lovely ingredients that we had before. I'm gonna put a little bit more cilantro. And we're gonna give this a quick taste. As you can see, I made some fried plantains because I love sweet but savory. It just complements it so well. So you could always make whatever side you want with the rice, you know, and try it out. Well, let's give it a taste. You could taste that, the onion, that garlic, that chorizo flavor into the rice. It's great, and the cilantro. This is a home run, folks. Try this at home, invite your family, friends over, do this. I am your Latin chef. Thank you for watching. If you love this, hey, share it, please. It's the love of food. You're a foodie, share this with your friends. Have them subscribe